Hello, Internet. Let's travel to Kalavagunta Dam, which is considered as the main drinking water source to Chittoor. Dam in a rainy season. As the dam is almost full, they have to open one gate. This dam is located around 10 kilometers from Chittoor Town, which can be easily accessible by road. This is how it looks in a summer season where most of the water are dried up in the dam. Near the dam, you can see a very old Shiva temple, which has a very rich history and located on the beautiful river beds. If you are planning to visit the dam, just have a look on the Shiva temple. In a rainy season, the dam is crowded with more people. The excess released water travels to Ponnai, which in turn is used for agriculture and other purposes.